Hello students, welcome to Robotics Era. In this tutorial, we will learn about an electronic component named as a potentiometer. A potentiometer is a component which is also called as a variable resistor. In earlier videos, we have learned about the different type of resistors such as simple resistor and LDR, light dependent resistor. This is also a type of resistor whose value can be varied manually. This type of resistance you have seen in the regulator of fan for increasing or decreasing the speed, and in the volume button of your speakers for increasing or decreasing the value. See, there is a probe in the potentiometer which we can rotate. Okay, by rotating this probe, we can increase or decrease the value of our resistance. There are three legs in a potentiometer, one to one side and the third one on the another side. Okay, so these two legs are used for connecting the one terminal of the circuit, any of the one. You don't have to use the both the legs, you have to use only either this leg or this leg to connect to the circuit, and this side, this one will be treated as a common. I am having two different type of potentiometer with different values. Not this type, it is having different values. See, it is also having the three legs, 1, 2 and 3. This potentiometer, this blue one, is having maximum value 10k, and this is the potentiometer which is having the maximum value 100k. So let me show you by using the multimeter how we can measure the value. Whenever you are going to measure the value, you have to put one probe of your multimeter to here on this terminal and one probe on the any of the terminal. Now I am having a multimeter with me. Okay, I have just turned it to a 200k, and I'll show you how its value can be found. Now I am going to put one of my terminal here and another one is here. You see there is a certain value 6.8 on one terminal and 4.1 on another terminal. 6.8 and 4.1 is nearly equal to 10 point something, which gives its maximum value 10. If we will rotate the probe completely in one directions like this, see what will happen. One terminal will show the full value and one will show the zero. See, this terminal is showing the zero value and this terminal is showing the full value, which is 10.4. In the same way, this is the different potentiometer. If I will check, it is having a something 20.8 kilo ohm in one direction and 90 point something in another direction. If I will rotate this potentiometer to any direction to the full value, then one leg will show the zero nearly value and another leg will show the full value, which is 114 kilo ohm, that we say nearly 100 kilo ohm resistance. So for making our circuit, we will use only one potentiometer. Okay, so for making this, what are the things we required? As we have in earlier classes, a battery, LED and resistors with some wires. I am going to take this positive terminal and another one as a negative terminal, putting my plus and minus on the breadboard of the battery, which is power source. Now I just want an LED. I am going to take an LED and a resistor with me. I am using a 330 ohm value resistor, so once the value of this resistance becomes 0, my LED will not get fused. So I am using this resistor directly from positive terminal of this to any point of our breadboard. Okay, now next positive from here to here. Now I'm going to use a small wire to join this portion to here. This you can see I have connected with the this common terminal of the potentiometer. Now I have to connect another wire from the negative terminal. I'm going to take the another wire. You can join this to any one terminal, okay, either this or this. Now let's see what will happen if I turn the C. See, LED is getting brighter and brighter up to the fullest value. It means this terminal is showing the almost zero resistance when we have turned it. Now once I will just rotate it, see how the value of resistance is increasing. Higher the value of resistance, lower the value of luminance of LED. Okay, this kind of thing you have seen in your fan regulator and volume button of your speaker also. When you're rotating it, its speed or volume becoming high or low. So I hope you understood how to use a potentiometer in any of the circuit in order to increase or decrease the value of resistor. At any point of time, you can find the value of resistance also. As I am having this much of brightness with me, okay, so we can check with the help of potentiometer the value of this terminal. Touch this and touch this. Okay, this side is showing the almost one value. Now let's increase the resistance. Now let's find. You can see there is a 56.3 kilo ohm resistance, and if you will turn it again to the brighter side like this, you'll definitely find the decrease in value of resistance. See, it is only 4.7. So in this manner, you can use the potentiometer in any circuit. I hope you understood the concept of potentiometer. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.